Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Copilot Studio agent step by step. If you have ever wanted to build an AI-powered assistant that can answer questions, automate tasks, and connect with your business apps, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, what exactly is a Copilot Studio agent? Think of it like your personal AI teammate. It's not just a chatbot. It can understand natural language, connect with your data, and even trigger workflows. For example, you can build an agent to answer employee HR queries, help customers track their orders, or assist your sales team with product information. Basically, it's an AI agent customized for your business needs. Now, let's create our first agent. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to navigate to copilotstudio.microsoft.com, right? On the home page, you will see that multiple agents, right, which is website Q&A, voice, safe travels, financial insights, benefits, citizen services. These are the templates which are already present. You can click on see more to find more templates, right? If you want to create a new one, you can just go ahead and click on create. Here again, you see all the templates, but what we are going to do is we are going to create a new agent. So I will just click on new agent. After that, you will see that you have an option to create an agent by describing here. Otherwise, you can also click on configure to give the instructions and descriptions for your agent, right? So we are going to use configure, and then here I will specify support assistant. After that, I will give a description saying that it helps employees with HR related queries, right? In the instruction area, you can give the instruction to your agent, and here you can add the knowledge source. For now, I will leave it as it is, and then I will click on create. Here you can see that your support assistant agent has been created. You can see your agent is going to use GPT-4o default model, right? And here you can see this orchestration is enabled, right? You can specify the instructions by clicking on edit. To add the knowledge source, you can click on add knowledge. So I will just click on add knowledge. In my case, the knowledge source is going to be an Excel file. I will just click on select to browse, and I will upload a file. Here you can see that I have a file which is called as hrpolicy.xlsx. This is the file name, and then here I have a description. After that, I will click on add to agent. And here you can see that knowledge source is being added in the agent. Its status is in progress, right? Here you can see the status is ready. Now I can query. Here you have an option to show the activity map, right? And also you can enable the debug mode to see how your agent works. Now I can say hi. You can see the greeting topic has been initiated. One option is that you can click on track between topics, so it will show you which topic is being executed. Now I can ask question, tell me about sick leave policy. Now you can see here it is searching the sources. It found the response, and now you can see it is writing the response from Excel. Here you can see it has included the HR policy as the knowledge source, and apart from this, it has also used the general information, right? So I will go to overview, and here we have an option which is web search. I will just disable it so that it does not use the information from internet. Changes have been saved. I will refresh it. Now again I can ask this question: tell me about sick leave policy. It is trying to fetch the information. This time you can see that it has used the knowledge source which is present in this agent, right? You can also provide the feedback based on the response so that Microsoft can improve the agent. Apart from this, you can also add the triggers for your agent, right, based on which your agent will be executed. These are the topics which are present. You can also add additional topics if required by clicking on topics, and then you can create a topic from the blank. Once you are satisfied with your agent, then you can click on publish, and you can publish your agent to multiple channels which are present here. You can publish it to demo website, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, right, or Telegram, like this. For advanced users, you can also embed it inside SharePoint using a custom web part or integrate it with external APIs. This means your agent can live where your users are. No extra app required. So what are some real-world use cases for Copilot Agent? One is that customer support automation, answer FAQs instantly, employee self-service, HR, IT, finance queries handled automatically. So that's how easy it is to build a Copilot Studio agent. In just a few steps, we created an AI assistant that understands natural language, connects to business data, and can be published anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.